Nerds. We've all known one at some time in our life.
Okay, good talking to you. See you later.
Not again! My computer died again. I can't take this anymore.
Luckily, nerds don't hold a grudge.
Good morning, Dave.
Okay, good talking to you. See you later.
Nerds on Call, computer repair, setup, and all-around techno fixes.
In the olden days, when your computer broke, you had to haul it to a repair shop to be fixed. Then you had to wait patiently by the phone while your computer was being repaired. But today, all it takes is a simple phone call.
Nerds on Call? My computer froze up.
Nerds on Call, computer repair, setup, and all-around techno fixes.